Good mornings to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today I will start a new chapter in English grammar. Chapter number 4, articles. A, an, or the. Before going through the chapter, I like to explain some points regarding this chapter. Now let's start. Our first question arises, what is an article? The words a, an and the are known as articles. What is article? The words a, an and the are known as articles. You have to learn this answer by heart. Now come to next page. A. A is article words. The article A is used before a word which begins with a consonant sound. All the letters of the alphabet except the vowels. Now, what is consonant? Consonant are non-vowel sounds. As we know that in English we have 26 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z, in which 5 alphabets are vowel. Our vowel alphabets are A, E, I, O and U, and remaining alphabets are called consonant. Now look at an. The article an is used before a word which begins with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. Whenever you see a word which start with vowel sound, you have to write an there. The article the is used before nouns which there is only one. Example, the earth, the sky, the sea, the world, the North Pole. All these are example is only one. The is also used before the names of oceans, rivers, mountains and holy books. Example, the Indian Ocean, the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Gita. Now come to next page. Read this. Girl has dog. Dog is her best friend. Girl and dog play together with orange ball every day. Do you find something wrong about these sentences? Something is missing, is it not? The words that are missing are known as articles. Let us put these articles and read the sentence again. The girl has a dog. The dog is her best friend. The girl and the dog play together with an orange ball every day. This sentence is complete with uses of our articles. Now come to our exercise questions. A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Number 1. Dash bird. B is consonant, so that's why we use A. 2. Dash friend. F is consonant, that's why we use A here. Dash answer. A is our vowel sound, that's why we use an. 4. Duck. Duck is a consonant word, that's why we use A. Dash elephant. E is our vowel sound, that's why we use an. Dash umbrella. U is vowel sound, that's why we use an. Dash interesting poem. I is a vowel, that's why we use an. Well. W is consonant, yes, that's why we use A here. Dash orange flower. O is a vowel sound, that's why we use here an. Dash coat. C is consonant word. That's why we use here A. This exercise we have completed. Now come to next exercise. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Number 1. I bought dash new dress. I bought a because n is consonant word. That's why we use here a. 2. Ram helped dash old man in crossing dash road. O is vowel sound. That's why we use here an. Road. Road is only one. That's why we use here the. Dash Red Fort is situated in Delhi. Red Fort is only one. That's why we use here the. I saw dash dolphin yesterday. D is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. Number 5. Dash planets revolve around dash sun. Planet. Planet is only one. That's why we use here the. And sun is also only one. That's why we use here the. 6. Today dash farmer will buy dash ox and dash cow. Farmer. Farmer start with F. F is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. Ox. O is a vowel sound. That's why we use here an. Cow. Cow starts with the word C. C is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. Now 7 point. Ali is dash doctor. D is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. 8. Dash Ganga is a holy river. Ganga is only one. That's why we use here the. H is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. 9. Do not let your children play in dash rain. Rain is only one. That's why we use here the. 10. Ravi is dash brave man. B is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. 11. There is dash apple and a dash banana on dash plate. Apple. Apple starts with vowel sound a. That's why we use here an. And banana is start with word b. B is a consonant word. That's why we use here a. And plate is only one here. That's why we use the. Dash Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal is only one. That's why we use here the. Hope you understand what is article. You have to complete all this exercise question answer in your book and copy also. Now stay home, stay safe. Thank you all of you.